When YGC take on engineering projects such as the major road improvement scheme here across Foxes, which you can see behind me, my team's work involves making sure that the environment is protected. Before any construction work starts, there needs to be a detailed environmental assessment.
This means we would look at the impact the work would have on various environmental aspects such as archaeology, ecology, noise, water quality and of course the impact on local people and communities. For instance, we will survey land before any vegetation is removed and we will check for protected species such as bats, otters and water voles.
Once all the checks have been done, my team will work with engineers and other organisations who are involved in the project, such as Natural Resources Wales and Cadw, to develop measures which will make sure that the environment is protected. For example, here across Foxes, this bat bridge and lights are designed to allow lesser horseshoe bats to cross the road at tree canopy level. This makes sure that they can still use the habitat on either side of the road. In the same way, mammal tunnels allow species such as badgers, otter and dormice to cross safely under the road. We're also responsible for planting trees and shrubs. Not only does this provide new habitat, but it is designed to blend the new road into the landscape.
When the construction work starts, we'll continue to visit the sites regularly to make sure that the work does not damage the surrounding environment. For example, our ecologists will supervise the removal of any trees and sensitive habitats, and we will keep a close eye on watercourses around the site to make sure we're not polluting them.
We also coordinate any archaeological excavations. When we were building a new road between Pwllheli and Criccieth, we discovered and excavated an early Bronze Age burial urn. We even monitor the noise that comes from our sites to make sure that we disturb our neighbours as little as possible. And our work doesn't end when the construction has been completed. When the road workers, digger drivers and engineers have packed up their tools and gone on to another job, we're still here making sure that the measures that we put into place are still working.